So hi class, so in this video I will teach you the transition of watercolor. Okay, so kung paano yung dark tone and half tone. So maglalagay ako ng water dito. 1 2 3 1 2 and 3. Okay, so I have blue colors. So gagawa ko ng dark tone. Okay, dark tone. So this is the dark tone. Okay, so kung gusto pa natin blue na blue, kailangan kunti lang yung tubig. Tapos yan, gusto niyo pa ng strong. So ito na yung strong. Yan. Okay. So yan yung strong color. Then yung half tone, mag-a-add lang kayo ng water. Yan. Mag-a-add lang kayo. Okay. So more water pag half tone. So yan. So as you can see, mas light siya compare sa dark tone. Okay. Then light tone. So mag-add ulit kayo. Yan, mag-add kayo ng water, marami. Okay. Ito yung light tone. Okay. So that is the light tone. Then lightest tone. Okay. So yan yung kulay na lightest tone. Light colors. Pinaka light. So, yan. Okay. Or kahit wala ng water. Ay kahit wala ng color. Water na lang. Okay, so as you can see the transitions from dark to light and from light to dark. Okay, so ganun lang. Kapag gusto niyo mag-adjust ng color, add lang kayo ng water, add ng add, ha? Then try naman natin sa red. So mag-add ulit ng water. So 1 2 3. Okay, so red color. So less water kapag dark tone, ha? Okay, so dark tone muna tayo. So dark tone, half tone, more water. Yan. So yan. Or ano pa kayo? Yan. Okay. Then light tone. So add lang ng water. Yan, add lang. Okay. The lightest tone, add kayo ng water. So yan na yung light. Okay, so gawin nyo din to pang practice ha. Okay. So iyan natin para gumapang. Okay, so yan. So good luck. Try nyong subukan. Okay? So try your best.